What do you do when people have a great fear of syringe?
Usually they don't look.
We're opening this week to continue the vaccination of the healthcare workers. As soon as we have a new vaccines delivery, we're going to start vaccinating.
As Premier Legault plans to extend Quebec's curfew and possibly loosen some other restrictions, Public Health is gearing up for a mass vaccination campaign here at Palais des Congrès in Montreal, with Quebec Health Minister Christian Dubé on site touring the facilities Monday, just as daily cases fell under 1,000 for the first time since November. Dubé saying he's excited to get his vaccine as he's briefed on how this massive clinic works, equipped with freezers set at minus 69 degrees Celsius for the doses, 15 vaccination stations, and a mostly digital process.
This one is for our freezer for Pfizer vaccine, and we have another one minus 20 for Moderna vaccine.
The Palais will be one of 5 vaccination sites across Montreal, open 7 days a week, 12 hours a day, by appointment only. Registration taking place online. More details of where and how still to come.
We can vaccinate about 1,000 people per day on site, and whenever we need to do more vaccination, we can double and go up to 2,000 vaccinations a day and adjust further if needed.
There isn't an opening date for the public just yet, but health authorities say they're ready.
So far, we have the staff, we're set up, everything goes well. We did some dry run, it's running smoothly. So all we need is a vaccine just to keep going.
Quebec has administered 239,023 doses of the vaccine so far, with all senior residents in public long-term care homes vaccinated with their first dose. Vaccinations for healthcare workers is ongoing, and the next phase will be private seniors' residences.
I think it's the prioritization of risk groups is correct. The only now issue is to have enough vaccines to follow to these priority groups and vaccinate all people who need.
Quebec has seen a delay in their vaccine rollout because of reduced shipments from manufacturers, but the province is still moving ahead on loosening restrictions by February 8th, possibly reopening stores with doors that lead right onto the street. Premier Legault expected to extend the 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. curfew and to keep Montreal in a red zone. That announcement coming Tuesday at 5 p.m. Some online saying all for health measures, but no more curfew. I think the curfew is working.
Unless we reach that desirable 60-70% of vaccination level of community, we still are vulnerable to the pandemic, to the infection.
In Montreal, Alyssia Rubertucci, City News.